Singapore. Big news shaking up global markets. President Trump just announced the U.S. will slap a 30% tariff on goods from the European Union and Mexico starting next month. If you're wondering, how does this affect me? Listen up. These tariffs could hit your wallet, your job, and even your CPF. Here are the 5 key impacts every Singaporean investor and worker needs to know. First, expect more market volatility. When the U.S. targets major trading partners like the EU and Mexico, global stock markets, including Singapore's, tend to react. You might see your portfolio swing more than usual. If you're invested in export-oriented stocks or REITs with global exposure, keep a close eye on them. Second, Singapore's export and manufacturing sectors could take a hit. Our electronics, precision engineering, and logistics industries rely on global supply chains. When trade slows down between the U.S. and its partners, demand for Singapore-made components and services may drop. That means companies could see lower profits, and some workers might face job uncertainty or even retrenchments. Third, there's a risk of a broader economic slowdown. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has warned that these tariffs act like a tax on global trade. That means less demand for our exports, lower business confidence, and possibly weaker GDP growth. The government has already set up a task force to help businesses and workers adapt, but everyone should be prepared for a tougher job market and slower wage growth. Fourth, you might notice higher prices for imported goods, especially electronics and cars. If you're planning a big purchase, it may get pricier as supply chains adjust and costs rise. Fifth, Singapore's position as a global trade hub is being tested, but our diversified trade links across ASEAN and Asia could soften the blow. Companies may pivot to new markets or double down on innovation and productivity to stay competitive. Bottom line, Trump's new tariffs are more than just headlines. They could affect your investments, your job prospects, and even the cost of your next gadget or car. Stay alert, review your financial plans, and watch for updates from the government and MAS. For now, Singapore's resilience and strong global ties are our best defense. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted on what comes next.